Should you buy gold or silver? Everyone, it feels like, is telling you to buy gold right now. Hear it on TikTok, on the news, but here's some under the hood reference points. And stay with me because I promise it's all related. First, crypto didn't hit the 4-year all-time highs like we were expecting. Crypto also did not invent the 4-year cycle. Bitcoin essentially follows liquidity cycles, meaning when governments inject money into the market, which the US government always does, risk assets like a Bitcoin tend to go much higher. Now, when liquidity tightens, the money runs to safety. Right now, we're in a risk-off environment. There's political instability and the US has debt problems. Not to mention, there are recession fears. So rather than folks investing into things like Bitcoin, which are considered risk assets, money from all angles is flooding into precious metals, gold, silver, etc. That's why gold and silver are at all-time highs. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is relatively stagnant. This is because there are now Bitcoin ETFs. Institutions, big money is involved. They are de-risking, and them selling Bitcoin is creating this ranging. Doesn't mean Bitcoin's broken, it means big money is prioritizing safety first, or gold and silver. But banks, governments, institutions, they didn't just start buying gold this month. They've been accumulating for years at much lower prices. So now, when you're seeing all these headlines screaming, buy gold, buy silver, your chances of buying those now and becoming exit liquidity by buying the top is much increased. I need people to understand a normal liquidity cycle. Safe havens lead gold and silver. Once they stabilize, range for a period of time, then money will rotate back into risk assets, Bitcoin. That rotation clearly hasn't started, but not financial advice. If you were to be positioning into Bitcoin now, you could take advantage, as opposed to positioning into gold or silver when they're already at all-time highs. Not financial advice. Am I saying put all your money in Bitcoin? No. Am I saying don't buy gold or silver? No. I'm saying risk management is the name of the game when it comes to investing. And buying an all-time high price of gold or silver is risky. So if you feel like we're going to go into this big recession and you want to sprinkle some money into a gold or silver, okay. If your risk appetite is a bit larger and you want to invest in a Bitcoin now while the price feels low, okay. But understand how money flows so that you're making the most educated decision possible. I hope it helps.